In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a scrolling table in Google Sheets. Start by selecting the full range of data you want in your table. Click and drag across all rows and columns, making sure to include the headers at the top. Begin from the top left of your dataset and highlight everything down to the bottom right so no data is missed. Once your data is selected, go to the top menu, click Insert, then choose Chart. A chart will appear on your sheet, and the chart editor will open on the right side. In the chart editor, find the chart type section and change it. Scroll through the options and select Table Chart. Your data will instantly switch into a table format with a scroll bar on the side. Use the scroll bar to move through large sets of rows without expanding the sheet. If the scroll bar does not appear, resize the chart or adjust your selected data and it will update. To sort your table, hover over any column header and click the arrow icon that appears. Choose ascending or descending order to organize your data directly inside the table.